So right now, we have 5 new updates about the Galaxy S25 Ultra today. Now, first up, let's talk about the display. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra come with 2nd-gen Gorilla Glass armor, which is tougher than its predecessor, keeping the screen resistant to scratches. The anti-reflective coating remains exclusive to Samsung, with possible improvements for the S25 Ultra. Now let's talk about the screen brightness. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra come with the 3000 nits to 4000 peak nits brightness more than the S24 Ultra. Now let's talk about the software update. The S25 Ultra will support Android's seamless updates. This allows updates to be downloaded and installed in the background while the phone is in use, reducing downtime. Now let's talk about the storage. The S25 Ultra come with UFS 4.0 storage, offering fast speeds. However, UFS 4.1 was expected, which could have improved on-device AI performance. UFS 5.0, the next leap, won't be available until 2027. Now let's talk about the missing features. The Find My Device when powered off feature will not be included on the S25 Ultra, unlike on iPhones and Pixel devices. This is a letdown, as it would have been helpful if the phone were lost while turned off. Now let's talk about the design. New dummy unit videos reveal that the S25 Ultra will have flat sides, curved corners, and an overall premium in-hand feel. The camera design will differ slightly from the renders seen with camera rings, similar to those on the Z Fold 6. D-Brand has also released renders, but these aren't official and are just concept designs with their skins applied. Therefore, the actual design might be different. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.